Hello everyone, welcome to ComScholar. In this video, we will discuss all the highlighted points announced by the Google to invest $10 billion in India. Let's see the big takeaway by some key point analysis. Google CEO Sundar Pichai announced an investment of $10 billion in India to improve digitization fund. This will help to accelerate India's digital economy. Google will invest 75,000 crore over the next 5 to 7 years. This will be done through a mix up of equity investments, through partnerships, operations, infrastructure, and ecosystem investments. This is a significant step from the Google despite the pandemic going on in our surroundings, which shows a crystal confidence in India in India's growth and investment destination. This investment focus on key areas which includes enabling affordable access to all Indian citizens and to provide information for every Indian in their own languages. Next, building new products and services to meet Indian customers' need. Next, to bring up all businesses on digital transformation path. And the last one is leveraging technology and artificial intelligence in the various sectors such as health, education, and agriculture, and they are also supporting rural economies. Google partners with CBSE to help 1 million teacher run online classes. With the help of this, Google will help teachers from 22,000 schools across India to run classes via Google Classroom, YouTube, and G Suite. Now, let's take some key point analysis like what will be the impact of this investment. Sundar Pichai CEO has said Internet Sathi already helped 30 million women across the globe to gain digital skills, and this will create an awareness in India also, which has already helped to donate more than 120 crore rupees in PM Care funds via Google Pay. Google Pay is setting the global standards on how to digitize payments, which also helped in building product as well. Pichai also spoke the children from across India can learn to read in different languages, which leads to a positive response from the artificial intelligence reading tutor app such as Bolo, and they are also going to roll out very soon. This funding will also help to improve forecasting, forecasting system which is designed to keep people's life during India's monsoon season. He also said, hope this technology will bring peace of mind to millions of people affected by flood each year. Now, let's take some more points that how does it will impact on digitization of small business. Global pandemic has supercharged to adopt digital tools. Earlier, only one third of small businesses are on online platform, but today 26 millions of small businesses are discoverable on Google Maps. Even small merchants are now well equipped to accept digital payments and this will help more small businesses to be a part of this platform. Now, due to this investment, there are some questions arises like, is it anyhow linked to India's ban on Chinese app? Let's understand by this following points. The fund was in work before the clampdown on Chinese companies. The ban indeed presents an opportunity for tech majors like Google to strengthen their position in India. India has the second most internet users in the world, providing better opportunities for such companies. Now, let's see what are the Google's top investments in India so far. Around 3.13 crore in Sana Ventures in the seed funding they have already invested. 3 crore in Agastya International Foundation, around $45 million in Dunzo, and 39 crore rupees in online education portals such as QMath. They have also invested around $27.5 million in Gurugram based company such as iFinance. Now, what are the Google's global investment in tech ventures? Since Jan 2010 to July 2020, Google and its venture capital arms have invested in over 900 companies globally. They have invested $1.5 billion in Indonesian multi-services startup such as Gojek. They have already invested $1 billion in ride-sharing firm such as Lyft and $1.4 billion in its rival firm that is Uber. They have also invested $1 billion in Elon Musk SpaceX. Now, what are the other tech giants announced to invest in India? Amazon already announced it would invest $1 billion additional in India. Facebook already invested around $5.7 billion in Reliance Jio, whereas Microsoft venture fund M12 said it would open an office in India to pursue investment opportunities. I hope you understand all the highlighted points with respect to all investments that already have been made by the Google and the investment they are going to make as well. Thank you.